Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Virgos. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, Virgos. So this is for your daily energy, Virgos. This is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship. And we will also be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that is a general guidance, guys, what we can follow every day to make things go in a very harmonious way, guys. So we can have that balance in our life if we follow this guidance. So let us turn these cards first for your daily reading. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card, you will be seeing tremendous success, guys, in your life. This may relate to your personal life or your career situation. You have that greater potential towards success, something like finding a treasure, something which you never expected is coming your way, guys, Virgos. That is what I see with this card. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, Virgos. The Sun. So in your career, so this energy what we saw with this card, this may be something regarding your career situation, guys, career situation. You have that confidence and inspiration in your heart to do anything in your life today, guys. So you are happy for this situation today. Circumstances are falling into place. You are seeing success in your career situation, guys. Whatever you are taking up, it is progressing in a very positive way, Virgos. That is what I see with this card. So let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. It is Page of Cups. So with this card in your situation today, guys, this may be what your person feels towards you or what you may feel towards your person. So this a person may feel that you are a true romantic and sentimental. You have you shower a love on them, guys. You express your love towards this person, and you are a very expressive person, and you have a great intuition, guys. So this person may feel that they love you for what you are, the way you express love and the way you are in this connection, and you have that deep understanding with this person. You have the clear communication, understanding and love with this person, guys. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, guys. So let us see what is your oracle guidance, guys, for today, Virgos. Clean it up. So with this card, it just means that giving up that baggage that we may have. So maybe some past hurts or some stressful memories that we may have in our relationship. We need to clear all that up to have that happiness and joy sprout in our heart, guys, in this relationship. So whatever that is not needed, maybe that hurtful situation, you need to let that go, which is no longer needed, which will cause stress and which will not let this relationship flourish. So we need to let all that go, that hurt and something of that past, guys. So that is what this card means for your relationship. The same way in our career situation also, even the simpler things what we need to do in our life today, guys, maybe paying bills or clearing the mail, whatever it is, making that list. So we need to give up that clutter in our situation. So when we do that, we will move towards greater prosperity and abundance in our career situation, guys. So that is what this card means, this guidance. So if we follow this guidance, we will move towards greater prosperity and success in our life, guys. So that is the reading for today, Virgos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.